Welcome to this 5-minute meditation video for stress relief. Just a few minutes, I'll guide you through a simple process to release tension, quiet your mind, and bring calm into your day. Whether you're dealing with a busy schedule, a tough situation, or just need a break, this meditation is designed to help you reset and feel grounded. Here's what we'll be doing. We'll start with some deep breaths to ease you into the present moment. Then we'll gently scan the body to release any physical tension. Next, we'll focus on anchoring ourselves in the here and now. Then proceed to a visualization of soothing light to help you melt away the stress. Finally, we'll set a calming intention to carry you forward. You can do this anywhere and anytime you need a peaceful reset. So go ahead and find a comfortable spot. Close your eyes, and let's begin. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Feel the air filling your lungs, expanding your chest. Hold this for a moment. Now go ahead and exhale slowly, releasing any tension as you breathe out. And again, take a slow, long, deep breath in through your nose, feeling the air as your lungs expand, moving into your chest, holding it for a moment, and go ahead and exhale slowly, releasing any tension as you breathe out. And one more, take a deep breath in through your nose, feeling the air fill your lungs and expand your chest. Hold it for just a moment, and then exhale slowly, releasing any tension as you breathe out. With each exhalation, letting go of any tightness or stress that you might be holding in your body. Now gently scan your body from head to toe. Notice if there are any areas that feel tense or uncomfortable. As you find these areas, direct your breath there. Breathe in through your nose and allow the breath to move to the spot of any tension, gently through your body. Then with each exhalation, allow those parts of your body to relax and soften. Now shift your attention to the sensation of your body, whether you're seated or lying down. Feel the support beneath you. Notice your body and how it's held safe and supported. Know in this moment you are safe, secure, and fully present. Now allow yourself to picture a soft, calming light above your head. You may see it as a mist. You may feel it as a gentle warmth. Allow this light to slowly cascade down over you, washing away any remaining tension. As it flows over your head, your neck, your shoulders, and gradually down your entire body. Feel it cleanse every muscle. Allow this beautiful cascade of light to leave you feeling peaceful calm and comfortable. As you prepare to return from this meditation, go ahead and take one last deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. We will gently set an intention to carry this sense of calm for the rest of the day. You may say to yourself, I am calm and comfortable. Or you may choose to say, I am feeling peaceful in everything I do. When you're ready, open your eyes and slowly take a moment to notice how you feel. Carry the sense of calm with you, knowing that you can return whenever you need. Feel free to use this anytime you need a calming reset.